So guys, this is the part 2 where we'll be rounding off with the sharpening. We're already done, so we have this is our image. So I'm just going to show you guys how to copy this effect to another image. So click on these 3 dots and click on copy setting and copy. You can also create a preset. So if you click on create a preset and save it to color pop out. Let's say color pop. These are all the effects we just worked on. Then click on done here. It's going to save it to your device. So let's go back. This is the one we just worked on, and this is the former one. Now click on this one. Now let's apply the same distance. You remember we copied it. We copied the settings. So click on paste settings. You can see how beautiful this is. So that is all for this part of the tutorial. Thank you so much. See you guys in other tutorials. Bye.